Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a homemade toast bread for you. Let's get started. Flour, sugar, active yeast, salt, whisk a little, egg, beat them well before pouring, milk, mix thoroughly. Knead for a while. Add butter and mix well. Knead until smooth. You can use an electronic mixer to mix. Leave it aside for 40 minutes. Punch down the dough to remove air. Divide into 2 pieces. Make dough balls and shape in 2 different models. Let it rest for an hour. After resting, brush the dough with egg glaze. Pre-bake for 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the bread and put it in the oven tray again. Bake for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh toast bread. Thank you for watching and happy baking.